Left side. Might be in the bathroom. One running over from factory. Knocked.
Jackie. Knocked out.
There's guys fighting over at factory?
Yeah, I'm going over there. Oh like, shit! Close. Coming to you. Right in the middle. Dead.
Nice. Still one.
Those are little easy claps.
Where? Oh, I see him.
Yeah, I'm getting melted.
I don't see the guy shooting you. Oh, there he is.
Neither do I.
Down? He's that ice cream?
Yeah, I see him.
He just went in, tagged him a bunch.
We're going around the right side of this gas station here.
There's still two over there.
Yeah, I see him. You knocked him?
Yeah.
Let's see, yeah, his buddy.
Walter, how much 7.62 do you have?
150. Where is that at?
Big gun from the
across 30.
Oh yeah, they moved.
Eyes on. Yeah, they moved down. Tagged one.
Knocked.
Tagged again.
Nah.
Last guy's behind the tree.
Buggy, north, going left.
Or right. Yeah.
Stopping.
They're stopping.
They're stopping. Yeah, they're gonna fight us.
Two guys, 345. Oh no, that's bushes. Never mind. Never mind.
I just killed 3 people.
Oh, really?
Shooting you. Yeah.
One's headshot. I'm coming around the right side.
I think they're dead.
Yeah, you just killed.
Car 98 out that way.
It's at the buggy behind that hay bale.
Got him.
Nice.
Where was he? Dude, he was literally prone by those other